Hi YouTube. We're gonna do another Fleet Foxes song. It's called Wading in Waist-High Water. We play there's one riff, it plays them through the whole thing. It kind of goes like this. Something along those lines. So it's relatively easy to play, and it's relatively easy to learn. So this should be a good one if you're interested in this song. Alright, we go to a B minor, and then we release that and we play an open position G. Alright, and that just means we play strings 4, 4, 3, 2. A G chord is built right into the tuning of the guitar. So we don't have to fret anything, we just play open strings. So B minor to G. Then it goes to following the G, it goes to D. And then we play another open position chord, which is a G6, and we just play that by playing G, B, E, strings 1, 2, 3. So coming out of the D, we go to G6, and then we go finish by going to an A minor. Sometimes I think they're playing A minor 7. Sometimes they might even put a little C bass note in there, but they're taking advantage of some very similar chords. B minor and D are very similar. In fact, in this bar shape, this B minor bar chord shape, you have a D right in there, right? It's just a D. It's built right into it's because B minor is the relative minor of D. G6 to A minor. You pull off your ring finger if you want to put an A7 in there. All right, it's a great song, and they do a beautiful melody over that riff. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me keep YouTube off of my back. For some reason they like subscribers. Okay, thanks. Bye.